Good morning. Thank you for coming. Let's get started. Okay, today's agenda discuss selling new products. Yes, that's right. Our new products in an electric stove. What you suggest for marketing this product? How about marketing this product in housing complexes with a user squad? I agree. Because this product has a luxurious design with practical use. Of course, this product must be sold this year. Yes, we need to test the product before selling it to consumer. So, if they already know the procedure, they can definitely use it. Of course, if clients already know how to use it, clients won't have any problems with this product. Okay, so what do you think about this product? I think if the marketing of this product runs smoothly, then we will get big profits. Yes, I think so too. Okay, maybe that's the end of our meeting today. Do you have any question? No, maybe that's enough. Okay, then let's end it. See you next time. Okay, bye, Mrs. Sarah.